Now we need to get the nail out. I could probably unscrew it with a screwdriver, but I'll just use a pair of pliers. It might seem difficult to grasp onto at first, but keep trying to grab underneath of the head of the nail. Once you're able to get underneath of the nail head, just keep trying to grab onto the stem, and when you do, pull the nail out of the tire. Might be kind of tricky at first, but once you have a hold of it, once you're under the head, you're good. Make sure you throw the nail away or whatever was puncturing the tire. Then grab your tire kit. Now the hole in the tire needs to be cleaned out. So you take this tool and thrust it deep into the hole and push it back and forth. And make sure you're using this piece right here to clean the hole. You just want to clean it out real good. And now the hole is ready to be plugged. So take one of these strips. The strip will be a little sticky and gooey. That's why I'm wearing gloves to do this. Now you slide the strip into this hole at the end of your tool. And once you have the tip in, just pull this strip halfway through. So it should look like this. Now we're ready. It might seem difficult to push this thick plug into such a small hole, so what I do is stand directly over the tire so I'm straddling it. And I just push down as hard as I can, and the plug will eventually work its way inside. You want to leave a little bit of the plug hanging out so it looks like this, maybe about a ½ inch or so. Now I'm going to pull this tool out really fast. And now the tire is plugged. You can cut the excess off, which is what I'm going to do right now.